How to buy back 20 hours weekly using AI automation. Let's run the numbers for a moment. You get 168 hours every week. About 56 hours go to sleep, if you're lucky. Another 40 to 50 hours disappear into work. Then there's commuting, emails, errands, dishes, and random tasks that somehow eat the rest of your time. Before you know it, your weekend becomes a blur between Sunday anxiety and Monday morning chaos. But here's the truth. Hustle culture sold us a lie. Being exhausted all the time is not a badge of honor. And in 2026, there's a better way. AI automation can help you reclaim up to 20 hours every single week. Not by replacing your brain, but by eliminating the repetitive busy work, draining your energy. Today, I'll show you exactly how. In this video, you will learn the 20-hour heist, how AI helps you reclaim your time, the audit, how to find where your time is being stolen. Quadrant 1, how to automate your inbox and communication. Quadrant 2, how to speed up writing and content creation. Quadrant 3, how to eliminate useless meetings. Quadrant 4, how AI can handle your personal life admin, the ultimate force multiplier, connecting all your tools together, the 7-day implementation plan to make this actually work. And finally, the psychological shift that allows you to delegate to AI. And at the end of this video, I'll answer the most common AI automation questions people ask. Let's begin. Part 1. The audit. Finding your stolen hours. Before you automate anything, you need to know where your time is leaking. Automating a mess only creates a faster mess. So for the next 3 days, track your tasks. Keep a small notepad or notes app and record what you're doing. Look for tasks that have these 3 characteristics. 1. Repetitive. You do them every week. 2. Rules-based. They follow simple logic, like if this happens, do that. 3. Low emotional value. They drain your energy. Things like buy kib, copy-pasting data pike, responding to similar emails, buy kib sore and pie sorry, scheduling meetings. These are the laundry of your professional life. Nobody feels inspired moving clothes from washer to dryer, but they must get done. And that's where AI becomes your digital workforce. If you're exploring AI side hustles or automation gigs, you can also check the articles on Aimoneygigs, where we break down practical ways AI tools are creating new income opportunities. But for now, let's continue reclaiming your time. Part 2. Quadrant 1. Inbox 0 and communication overload. Reclaim 5 hours per week. Email is still the undisputed champion of time wasting. Your inbox is basically a to-do list written by other people. But here's the truth. You are not paid to read emails. You're paid to produce results. So instead of managing your inbox manually, use an AI executive assistant. Tools like Pybulk Shortwave, Superhuman. These tools can ubicate, summarize long email threads, categorize messages, draft replies automatically. Here's a simple prompt you can use. Analyze my incoming mail and group them into 3 categories. Critical path, important messages, read later, newsletters, low effort, automated alerts. Then summarize the low effort emails into 1 sentence. Now instead of checking email 20 times a day, you check it twice, and AI handles the rest. That alone can save around 5 hours every week. Part 3, Quadrant 2, Content Creation and the Dreaded Blank Page. Reclaim 5 hours weekly. Writing can be one of the biggest time drains. Whether you're writing Pori Port Second, LinkedIn post, Fod Lincoln post, emails, blog articles, that blinking cursor on a blank screen can feel like a tyrant. But AI doesn't get writer's block. One powerful workflow is called the thought to Polish pipeline. Start by doing a messy brain dump, then let AI organize it. Tools like BioLex Kid Notion AILP ChatGPT can turn your ideas into structured content in minutes. Example prompt. I'm going to give you messy voice notes. Extract the main ideas and create a clean outline. Another powerful trick. Use voice to text. Speak your ideas into your phone while walking or making coffee. AI then converts your thoughts into structured writing. If you're creating content for work or freelance gigs, tools like ProBoost can also help generate Boy-P scripts, Boy-Ting ton posts, resumes, cover letters. Boy-Ting posts, resumes, cover letters, which saves massive writing time. Part 4. Quadrant 3 to meetings. Where productivity goes to die, reclaim 6 hours weekly. Meetings are the empty calories of work. They fill your calendar, but rarely feed your productivity. Instead of taking notes yourself, use an AI meeting assistant. Tools like Pipet Fireflies, AI Beotter, AI these tools automatically. By P record meetings, create transcripts, summarize. Discussions, summarize discussions, highlight action points. So instead of writing notes, you focus on thinking and decision making.
Another powerful trick. Replace unnecessary meetings with screen recordings. Tools like Big Loom Big Telelet, you record quick explanations that people can watch anytime. That alone can save multiple hours per week. Part 5, Quadrant 4 Personal Life Admin, reclaim 4 hours weekly. Most people forget the mental load of personal life. Things like PyBic, planning meals, Billick scheduling, repairs a kid if planning family activities. These small tasks add up. You can use AI as a personal life assistant. Example prompt, it's Friday. I'm in Nairobi. Saturday will be hot and Sunday rainy. Plan a weekend for my family under $50. AI can generate ByTick activities with travel, plans, meal ideas. Another trick, create a separate email for bills and utilities. Connect it to calendar automation tools like Reclaim AI. When a bill arrives, the system schedules time for you to pay it. No stress, no forgetting. Part 6, the ultimate force multiplier, automating the automators now. We go one level deeper. Instead of using tools separately, you connect them together. Platforms like Big Zapier Prick allow apps to talk to each other. Example automation. When you save a new idea in your Notes app, AI automatically, by Tikyo, creates an outline. It saves it as a document. IDV saves it as a document. IDV organizes it in your project folder. This is where automation starts multiplying your productivity. If you're curious about turning automation skills into income, tools like Gatsmoney can show real online gigs, platforms, and earning estimates related to AI skills and digital work. But first, build the systems that give you your time back. Part 7, the 7-day implementation roadmap. Don't try to automate everything in one day. Follow this simple roadmap. Day 1-2, set up ChatGPT and a meeting assistant like Fireflies. Day 3-4, train your AI email assistant to filter important messages. Day 5-6, let meeting bots take notes and generate summaries. Day 7, use voice prompts to plan meals and schedule your week. By the end of 7 days, you will already start reclaiming several hours every week. The psychological shift to technology is easy. The guilt is the hard part. Many people believe being busy means being productive. So when AI finishes your work faster, you might feel like you're cheating. You're not. You're freeing your brain for things AI cannot do. Bybit creativity, Bypith, creativity, tybility, strategy, tybility, human relationships. Those extra hours are not just free time, they are mental space for a better life. Frequently asked questions, will AI automation make me look lazy? No. People care about results, not how long a task took. Fast and accurate work actually makes you look more competent. I'm not tech savvy. Can I still do this? Yes. Most AI tools work through simple conversation prompts. If you can send a message or install an app, you can use these tools. Are AI tools expensive? Many have free versions Even paid tools usually cost less than a few coffees per month, which is extremely cheap compared to hiring an assistant. What about privacy and data? Always check settings. Most paid tools don't use your data for training. Just avoid uploading sensitive personal information. Your part so you don't say I only talk. Now, here's what I want you to do. In the comments, write one task that wastes your time every week. Email, meetings, writing, tell me. In upcoming videos, I'll show you by pick the exact AI tools to automate those tasks, pick platforms where these skills can become paid gigs ectech, and how people are building online income streams using automation. You can also explore detailed guides on Aimoneygigs, where we break down real AI opportunities, and tools like GatsMoney and ProBoost can help you discover gigs, create content, and build professional assets faster. So if you want to reclaim your time and use AI smarter, make sure you subscribe, because the next video will show you how people are turning these AI skills into real income. And trust me, you don't want to miss that one.